Hi, do you know the importance of sustainable construction practice? Okay, let's start our introduction. Sustainable management of construction on the construction area or the developer is a huge issue because different aspects need to be considered, and how the management of the result of a project depends on the whether a project is prepared to be performed sustainably or not. Primary goals of a sustainable construction practice is to reduce the industry impact on the environment, economy, and social pillars. Sustainable construction does not end when the building is complete. The building itself should have a reduced impact on the environment over its lifespan. With the success of sustainable construction practice, it can alter worldwide where the environmental effect is better in the future.
Green buildings are referred to as those are capable of reducing the negative impact of real estate development on the environment and human health with the aim of promoting sustainable life. Sustainable building evaluation had led to emergence of new environment building design and transform the construction industry by focusing on high performance, energy efficient, economical and environment friendly buildings. The objective of Green Building Index GBI is to save energy, resources, recycle material and adapt building Malaysia climate, culture and environment. Firstly, the economic impact is green building has higher rental rate in Malaysia. For example, by using touch lighting strategy and a lot of the light green building help reduce the amount of power used in lighting system. It allow user to save as much as utilities bill. The operating and maintenance cost can be reducing for as much as 80% of lifetime cost of building. Next, for environment impact, developing structure that derive their energy from natural sources such as sun, wind and water is extremely beneficial to environment and protecting the ecosystem from the pollution associated with on renewable sources. Energy efficiency is essential not only for user but also for entire world because non-renewable energy resources are expensive and pollute the environment. The impact of local community in construction planning, the sustainable planning and management are applied to ensure the approximate site with access to public transportation, open space and landscaping, a better indoor air quality which have lower low concentration of carbon dioxide, CO2 and pollutant, and high ventilation rate can lead to improve the performance up to 8% per day. Improving the indoor air quality can reduce affected by asthma, respiratory allergies, depression and stress and self-reported improve in productivity.
Sustainable strategy implemented in project life cycle. First, we need to know the overview of the project. This will make sure the teams of the project can focus on the objective of our project. After that, we need to focus on initiation. Lot of effort need to analyze before beginning the construction. The important factor that we need consider are impact to surrounding environment and the material that can be recycled or reused. Planning and feasibility study also important to manage workers and team members to ensure that developer accomplish the project on time, on budget and on schedule. Then, design and engineering procurement. The application of design solution that limit the negative environmental impact of built environment is known as sustainable architecture. It is the way to improving the house's sustainability. Other than that, constructive process also had a big role and impact of entire project. This process will determine whether the sustainability is implemented or otherwise just a planning and meeting where it's never been implemented. Lastly, operating physical facility. It focusing on the action of building occupants, encompass safety and health, safety, comfort, and productivity with an understanding of the requirement of subsequent generation to reuse and recycle buildings components.
The project initiation phase is the first phase within the project management life cycle, as it involves starting up a new project. Within the initiation phase, the business problem or opportunity is identified, a solution is defined, a project is formed, and a project team is appointed to work and deliver the solution to the customer. The business case includes A. A detailed description of the problem or opportunity with headings such as introduction, business objective, problem or opportunity statement, assumptions and constraints. B. A list of the alternative solution available. C. An analysis of the business benefits, costs, risks and issues. D. A description of the preferred solution. E. Main project requirements. And F. A summarized plan for implementation that includes a schedule and financial analysis. All projects are created for reasons. Someone identifies a need or an opportunity and devises a project to address that need. How well the project ultimately addresses that need defines the project's success or failure. Whenever you consider past experience, your business case is more realistic, and whenever you involve other people in the business case development, you encourage their commitment to achieving it and even become more successful.
As we know, Malaysia is looking forward to illustrate good performance of project management lifecycle for better sustainable construction project. This is because project management is the primary goal for executing business plan, installing business process, and achieving better strategic ambitions for all the owners and employees. Besides that, project management and project lifecycle help a construction to detail what tasks that need to be accomplished, who will be responsible for the task, and also the timeline for the task to be completed. This is to ensure that all tasks are finished within the timeline. Therefore, we need to ensure that the performance of project management are being enhanced from time to time because it is the key for successful project. That's all from our group. Thank you.